Oh, y'all, Cook and Vibe. Welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. If you don't know already, you get me. Today was a one where I was just trying to get some content, and I thought, what can I do? Couldn't really bother to cook. I've eaten already, so I thought, what can I do? I had a little look in the market, and this is what I found. I found some little tiny star fruits. You get me? I don't know if you're familiar with star fruit, but yeah, we've got a little Jamaican lettuce. You get me? We've got a Jamaican cucumber. You can see the difference in the Jamaican cucumber there. We've got a little tomato, Jamaican tomato. You should be used to seeing them like this now. They all kind of look the same, kind of like a plum tomato. And I've got some red onions. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna make a star fruit salad. Yeah man, a star fruit salad. I'm on the beach, it's a beautiful vibes, you get me? I just thought more than anything, make a take in the scenery and the vibes, you get me? And we do a little salad and go and do the thing, you understand people? So yes, it's Cook and Vibe. Yeah, good vibes man. On the beach, little salad. Yeah, like I say, I've never seen them this small, but they were cool. As you can see, the Jamaican cucumber looks different. Yeah, quite small lettuce, but it's all natural, isn't it? The tomato and yeah. So let's go cut it up. Do our thing. Yes, people, it's Cook and Vibe. We're in Ocho Rios. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So basically, I've took it all out the dutchie pot, and we're going to use our dutchie pot as our bowl. So you know what I'm saying? So lettuce first. Nice, natural Jamaican lettuce. You can just cut that up nicely inside here. I'll show you one in a minute. You get me? Nice. Let's have a little taste of that. Nice and fresh. So that should be good for that. So I've pre-washed all of my vegetables anyway, people. So no worry about that. Everything's good. Yeah. See it there. My little style that I learned of chopping in Jamaica. You cut the sitting in four in like a. I'll show you one sec. That's how tomatoes going in here. Yeah. So for instance, I'll get this. Like you just cut it down. And then you cut it again into like 4/4, and then you just like that. You see, yeah. I've learned this little trick since I've been in Jamaica this time. This and the trick of lighting the fire with a plastic bag and the leaves. Come to find out they don't really sell fire lighters in Jamaica like that. You know what I'm saying? So. Cucumber and lettuce has gone in. Red onion going in now. I might just actually no, we do it the same way. I've been doing the rest of the yeah. Let's chop that inside there. Real yard style. Outside. You know we do it, people. Anywhere in the world we go, we must can cook our food. No. Yeah man, that's how it go. So we just mix with that round. Nice. So far we got our onion, our tomato, our lettuce. You get me? And now the star fruits.
Get Miguel's jerkyard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why, y'all?
See them there? Yeah, I never seen them this small. Yeah, beachside. You get me? I'm gonna give you a little tour in a minute. Yeah. Why, y'all? Yeah, man, I just a little mix around now. You get me? We're not gonna put any salt or any seasonings. We just want fresh Jamaican fruits and vegetables. That's all we want. And this salad here is where fruit meets vegetables. Now I don't know if this has been done before, but yeah, star fruit salad. You get me? You don't know cook on vibe, we deal with things differently, you understand? Yeah man, that's right, guy. There you go. There we go, people. Star fruit salad. Looks cool, doesn't it? Yeah, man. Taste time. Yeah, taste time, people. Let's go and try and get the. Oh, look, I've got red onion. I've got the lettuce. I've got the Jamaican cucumber, and I'm gonna get the star apple. Oh, if we get a bit of tomato as well, we're living. Oh, look at that. Everything in a one bite. It worked. The star fruit works with the red onion and the lettuce. All very really fresh. All like a fruitiness is just kicking in. The whole of it. You know what I'm saying? And I love star fruit as well. You know what? It's actually really good. And salad, good for you in this heat. I'm saying you get some food down, you get some minerals in you, and don't fill up your belly so much. So, not too long eating. Star fruit salad, people. Yeah, let me do what I reasoning with you. Because I love you lot. Because it's like, I never lost faith in you. The views went down when I was in England, but it was my fault. I weren't giving you what you wanted. You wanted Jamaica. I hear you. So we made it happen. Do you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to be honest with you. From now on, there's going to be very, very little Cook and Vibe in England. We will do some episodes and put them into seasons, but like every season is pretty much going to be Jamaica, and we're going to try and keep it that way. Do you know what I mean? So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Press that notification bell because you don't want to miss nothing. We've got a star fruit left over, so anything small holds a lot of flavour. Any small fruit is more sour than most other fruit. That's nice and sour. I like sourness. The one they're nice and sour. You get me? So we're here on the beach. Star fruit and star fruit salad. Just subscribe, please. Otherwise your fingernails are going to go rusty. Look at the coconuts. Oi, oi! Coconuts, people. There's Zimmy. Yeah. Star fruit salad. You might not have never seen it before. Sun's going down, looks beautiful. do the star fruit salad, but then I walk around, we see the big chef. Yeah, isn't he? Alright, see it there. So basically, sandcastles, alright? And there's a shop right next door to your left. And they must sell soup and proper things, you know, natural
Go
cooking.
in the shop and show them in there for me.
Yeah, so yeah, you know exactly where we are. If you see the shop there, yeah, so you don't see what one, M.R, fully govern that one there. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I fry them plant there,
Okay.
you know, I soak them, I wash them off, I soak them in the salt water, and then I fry them, I fry breadfruit,
Yeah.
fry plant.
Yeah. Right.
Mama style.
Yeah. The breadfruit there. Oi oi. Fish tea. Taste time. Make we see what I want. Oi oi. Yeah. Hey, the other way, the wrong way. That's a good soup. See it there? So yeah, people, you know where to go. You understand? Me I go carry back the food there. You know how the thing go. Yeah. Bless me up. Respect.
I want.
You see me, people? Yes. Star fruit salad. I hope you enjoyed it. You know how the thing works. Big up section, and I will see you next time. Oi oi. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know how to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Oi oi, people. It's the big up section. Yeah, man, big up yourself. You know how the thing go. Just do the right thing and press the subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, big up Christopher Kelly. He says big up from Hawaii Island vibes. Oi, oi, love that, my G. Big up yourself. And also, big up Cleaver Burton. He says he loves our culture and we love him. Enough respect, manners and prayers. I love that comment. Yeah, man, we love the culture and we love the people then. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's how we do it. It's cook and vibe. You know how the thing go, people. I'll see you next time.